Imagine waking up tomorrow, and suddenly there is no cooking gas in India, no LPG cylinders, no flames in the kitchen. Sounds scary, right? But what would actually happen if India ran out of gas? India has more than 300 million LPG connections, and most families depend on gas cylinders for daily cooking. Companies like Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum, and Hindustan Petroleum supply LPG across the country. If gas suddenly ran out, millions of households would struggle to cook food every day. Think about the thousands of restaurants, dhabas, and street vendors across India. From samosa stalls to big hotels, most of them rely on LPG cylinders. Without gas, a huge part of the food industry could temporarily stop. If cooking becomes difficult, food demand at restaurants and packaged food companies will increase. This could lead to higher food prices and supply problems. In such a crisis, the government would quickly step in. India stores LPG in reserves and imports gas from many countries to prevent shortages. Programs like Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana also ensure gas reaches rural households. Many families might switch to electric stoves, induction cooktops, or traditional methods like wood and coal until gas supply returns. So even though India running out of gas completely is very unlikely, it shows how important LPG is in our daily lives. But what do you think? Could India survive a week without cooking gas? Comment your answer below.